How to fix maximum number of attempts have been reached in CapCut. So if you're trying to sign into your CapCut account and you're seeing this error message, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and solve this. So first thing you need to do is head over to your iPhone home screen and then just go and load up your settings. You could then click on Wi-Fi, and if you're currently connected to a Wi-Fi network, then go and turn off the Wi-Fi and try using your mobile data instead. If you're already using your mobile data, you can turn on the Wi-Fi and just go and connect to a Wi-Fi network, and then you can try logging into CapCut using the Wi-Fi. Now if it's not working, go and open up your settings once again, scroll down to General, and then select iPhone Storage. Now scroll all the way down to CapCut and click on this. Click on Offload App, and then press Offload. Now once you've done this, you can close out of this window, and then you'll need to go and load up the App Store on your phone. Go and use the search box and type in VPN and press search. Now you'll need to download a free VPN, so I like to use this one here, which is VPN Super Unlimited Proxy. Now once you have this installed, you can open up the app. You can then agree to the terms and conditions and make sure to allow all of these different notifications. Now press Proceed with Ads at the bottom of the page and press Continue. You'll then see this window. Go and connect to the VPN by pressing the Start button. Once you're connected, you can head back over to your iPhone home screen. Go and click on CapCut to re-download the app. And once it's finished downloading, you can try signing into CapCut, and that should have now solved that error message.